Hi everybody, it is Beth Dodson here. I'm traveling this week, kind of crazy, but I did want to check in and touch base with you on some things that I think some recent customers are looking for. So a lot of customers have been signing up and they've been using HomeZada and they really love it. And there's some simple things that they've been asking about on how to use HomeZada. And one of the things that I think a lot of people forget about is that HomeZada has a complete YouTube channel on how-to videos. And we've done a really great job of breaking them down, into really small segments so that when you are looking at the video that meets your needs, it's specific to exactly what you're looking for. So we have the sections broken down into home inventory, home maintenance, home projects, home finances, and we also have them broken down for our affiliate partners as well as our professional partners. So there's a lot of different opportunities on how you can find help. Now, not only are these videos on our YouTube channel, which you can find at youtube.com/HomeZada, but you can also find them on our Facebook page. If you go to a section that says YouTube, you can see that they're also there, so you don't have to leave this Facebook community if you really want to find them as well. The other area where you can find these videos is inside the application. When you're using the application, we recognize that there may be new features you're getting acclimated to. And those new features you may need some help on. So we actually house some of the videos inside the application immediately on those sections where you may need them. So we want to make sure you have access to that. If by chance that's not enough help for you, I want to make sure that you know you have access to info@homezada.com, which you can email, ask them your questions. Our support team will then help you and make sure they are answering everything that you can get as quickly as possible. The other thing you can do is you can access our live chat at homezada.com. So homezada.com, our main webpage, you can actually access live chat. Now, remember, we are in California, so our hours tend to be California hours, so Pacific Coast hours in the United States. However, oftentimes when you leave a message on that live chat, our team will get back to it as quickly as possible, and those live chats will alert us via email so that our teams can respond, which is why many of our customers say that we're even open on the weekends, because if we see something, we want to make sure we're providing you the support you need as quickly as possible. So once again, if you run into challenges, we do have a YouTube channel. You can find the videos on this Facebook page as well, and you can find them inside the HomeZada application. They are broken down into snippets so that you can be as effective as possible in getting the information you need depending on your role and responsibility in the house, using HomeZada, and how you want to use it. So let me show you this again. I'm going to show you this. I hope it works. Oh, it sounds like it's backwards. That's what happens when you do live. So it's www.youtube.com/HomeZada. You can also see at HomeZada.com, at HomeZada.com, you can use our live chat. You can also use info@HomeZada.com. Kind of weird me talking over this. It's like something that you would see on a television show. And then you can also see them on Facebook. So take a look. Here's some information. But if you need help, please call us. We want to make sure that we are helping you use HomeZada to the best of your ability, and also that you're gaining the most visibility about your particular home so that you can make the best decisions. The worst thing that can happen is that you don't have an inventory like some of these people didn't have in these hurricanes and wildfires, and now they've got to recollect in their brain what they had. And most people don't know this, but you just can't remember everything because there's so many things that we collect in our homes. So make sure that you're using the system as best you can, and we want to help you however we can. So thank you so much for joining me today. I wanted to give you this helpful tip that we do have videos that can be very helpful to you. If there is a video that you don't see, let us know and we'll add it. And then at the same time, if you think that there's other helpful tips that you need, let us know. It may not be video available, but maybe we can create a blog post for you, or we can answer any of your questions in Facebook. Send us a private message. We'll also answer them there. However you can get a hold of us, we want to help you. So have a great day. I hope you have a wonderful weekend wherever you are in the world. And thank you so much for joining us again. And best of luck. Happy HomeZada-ing. Have a great day.